Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping active access so the bot can't keep watching. First, list every account, API, and server process where a bot might be registered. Once done, revoke any unused API keys and OAuth tokens and rotate credentials to invalidate the bot. Make sure you enable two-factor authentication and change passwords on affected admin accounts right away. These actions cut the bot's access window and prevent it from reconnecting, while you perform deeper removal steps. Next, you remove the integration points the bot uses to watch. Begin by deleting webhooks, cron jobs, scheduled tasks, and CI/CD hooks tied to the bot's identity. Then search your code repositories and configuration files for hard-coded tokens, rotate those tokens, and replace with Secure Secrets Management. Also inspect servers, containers, and process lists. Stop and remove any running bot services or images. As you work, keep an audit log of changes so you can trace how the bot was connected and close remaining gaps. Finally, you verify and harden the environment so the bot cannot return. Start continuous log monitoring and alerting to catch any recurring access within the next 24 to 72 hours. Then apply least privilege permissions, enforce MFA, implement IP allow lists where possible, and set strict token expirations. Once complete, schedule periodic audits and notify stakeholders about changed credentials. If things go wrong, if the bot reappears, revoke all tokens, isolate affected systems, and replay logs to identify the initial persistence method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.